afternoon, everybody. So last year we went to a Polish wedding and we were surprised about, so I'll put the video in the description. We were stopped every time, every few meters by gate. So people blocking off the roads, and then you have to give a bottle of vodka or some candy to let you through. It's called a gate or Brama in Polish. This time we're blocking the wedding. So we're gonna get the tractor out. Right here in the background, there it is. There it is. So we're getting the tractor out. We're gonna block the roads. Are you ready to make a gate?
Yes, very ready.
That's gonna be good. I wonder what vodka we're gonna get. It's gonna be WD-40, petrol. So they got these fancy Polish wedding vodkas, which cause more damage than good. So yeah, stay with us, have a look. So here we are, the two admirals and two captains, ready for Brama.
Captain!
Here's our gate, ready to go. Drum!
Dawaj. Wszystkiego najlepszego!
Wszystkiego najlepszego!
Przyjemności specjalnie z Australii pobywał życzenia. Młoda dziewczyna.
Niech żyje nam! Zdrowie, szczęście, pomyślności, niechaj żyją nam! Proszę! Dziękuję! O, dziękuję! Ja tylko życzenia! Wszystkiego najlepszego! Kalinka!
No!
A tylko 2 godziny tu już stoimy!
Nie! Cukierku dostaniesz! Proszę!
O, dziękujemy! No mi wódkę dostaniesz! Nie!
Dziękujemy!
Gratulacje! Nie puszczaj! Niech więcej płacą! So now that we've been paid in vodka, we can let them through. Oh. Będzie zabawa, będzie się działo. That's all the notes I know.
Zablokuj więcej!
That was good, right? That was so fun, huh? To co? You gotta celebrate. You gotta celebrate. Dołączaj się. Wow.
Dawaj dziadkowi, dzieciom nie wolno buźki.
Mama, łycieczka, no dołączaj się.
Wielki wam dali?
4. Let me, what did you get? Show me. Come here. Show me what you got. Candy.
Healthy.
Wow, Michałki, I'm gonna eat those. So that's what happens. That was good fun. I think it was more fun being on the outside than the inside last year. Signing out. It's gonna be a great night.